Because as soon as we got to the fair, it was like, yeah, we all are leaving because there's an active shooter. Everywhere we go, we have to worry about this. Woo! It's me. Sorry. The water is hot. Hold on, give me a second, let me let it cool down. What's up guys, welcome my it's your girl with another video. So I'm about to put in some box braids because I just was not sure what I want to do with my hair. Wigs, well, I just want to get up and go. So I kind of want something brighter. I've been doing black, or you know, I've done the blonde 27. I love a 27. If you know me, I love a 27 and I love a ginger. Okay, hello. But I said okay, so I have the free tress braiding hair and I have it in a 27, right? So I have it in a 27 and one pack. Then I have my 1B, one pack, well, 2 packs, because well, I'm always gonna need 1Bs. Plus I have some in my closet. I have a whole bunch of hair in a bag, so I'm sure I won't run out. But yeah, so 2 packs of my 1Bs, and then I have the 27/613. Boom. And this is what that looks like. It's already a mixture of the 27, but it also has the 613 included in it. So I was gonna get 2 of these, but at the bottom it's blonde, 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 and I didn't know if I wanted it to just end like that. So I'll just mix each bundle, and then we're gonna go to the state fair tomorrow because it's already 5:57 p.m. So I don't really want to sit here all day, but I have the ultimatum on. You know, I got my 3-sided mirror up, so let's go, let's do this, let's get this thing over with. Here are the 3 colors, 27, 27 and 613, and the black. So okay, I don't feel like blending this out anymore, so this is what we got, because at any time I can just take something out and just not keep it in there as I go. Okay, so it's actually 6:45, so I had to make sure I eat, get my protein in. I went to the gym today, so my cutoff time for my fasting is in 15 minutes, so I had to get my protein in. Now that I have, I'm done. So now we can start. I have my whole setup here, the light, my hair, boop, boop,
and me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make him know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make me tell me with this up and come, big come. I never tried you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, no, I'm gonna tell me what's up and come. I'm gonna watch baby, baby. I'm gonna get a one making you, baby. I feel like making you, oh baby, oh no, no.
All right, you guys, it's the next day. It is 6:30. My friend and I are going to the fair at 7. Y'all, my fingers were not doing what they needed to do last night for my hair, so I had to lay it down and go to sleep. I didn't end up putting black in here. I just did the 613 and the 27. The black was not doing it for me. So now I have my last one. I literally have to shower real quick and get ready to go. So I went to sleep at around 5 a.m. I promise my fingers were not doing what it needed to do. So I woke up at 9:45, brushed my teeth, and been sitting here. And I ended up going faster. The left side looked better than the right because my fingers just, they were not having it. I want to curl it, but we don't have time for that. I'm going to just dip it in some hot water and run out. When I come back, I'll decide if I want to dip it or not. I was also going to just cut them out this morning. I was not feeling it. But when I woke up and I saw it, I was like, oh, okay, it's not terrible.
Wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go shower. It's 6:30. This is the final product. I haven't dipped it yet, so I'm gonna dip it in some water. I'm gonna shower, put the water on the stove, and then I'm gonna take y'all to the fair with me. All right, y'all, so I'm dipping my hair. I forgot to show y'all. It's the next day. It's Sunday it's 5:48. We're supposed to be, so update. I didn't have anything to record yesterday at the fair because as soon as we got to the fair, I saw someone and I was like, hey, are you leaving? Can I have that parking spot? They was like, yeah, we all are leaving because there's an active shooter and it's personal. So it wasn't like I saw a police officer later that night because me and my friend decided, we were in traffic the whole night anyways. Like, I just thought, oh, it's traffic because it's the fair, it's Saturday. It's traffic because people were in their strollers trying to push their babies. People are trying to skedaddle out of there. Helicopters were flying and they got one suspect in custody. I don't know how many there were, but I just know later that night, my friend and I went to the movies. We just went to the movies, like we're not doing anything else. And the police officer there said, oh, it was a personal thing, so it wasn't like gonna be a mass shooting. But this is when I think about it. Fine, yeah, I'm in Texas where they're like pro-gun, right? But if you're going into a big place like that, why don't they have those scanning monitors? I get it, it's a lot of people. I get it. The line's gonna feel like you're at the airport. But I would rather that than everywhere we go, we have to worry about this. Anyway, so I didn't do anything with my hair that I wanted to yesterday. So this is what it looks like. I didn't even get to show y'all the full look. So this is my hair. It's feeling a little stiff. So because I ran out, didn't have time, I'm gonna put some I have my hot water here. I'm gonna just dip my rag in it. I need to loosen up the top, so I'm gonna just let it get hot. But yeah, and this is the makeup look for today. Okay. And we might have something to show today. We might. But I'm thinking that I want to curl my hair going out this way. But the hair was actually supposed to be longer, so I don't know. I need to mix some cold water in this. I'm gonna put some mousse on top first because I didn't do that yesterday. And then we'll let the hot water melt it down. And when I do my hair, I don't start manipulating it right away. Why would I do that? Like some people, when they do their hair, they'll automatically start pulling it back, start doing the most. Why would I put tension on it? The point is to make it last longer. I don't do that. So I wear my hair down for a while when it's first done. Tell you what. Oh, the water is hot. Hold on, give me a second, let me let it cool down. I don't know if you can see the steam. I don't know. But up here it's entirely too tight for me, well, stiff. And I went to church this morning. It was good. Bad news for the pastor's wife though, so I'm praying and hoping for the best for her. And I don't just say, oh, I pray for people, I actually pray. You know, some people be like, prayers, and that was literally their prayers. Prayers in my thoughts, literally in that very moment. it already feels less stiff. I decided to just give my ends another dunk, make it straight and not crinkly. Which I did this last night, but ain't nothing wrong with this. I also did not record the whole process of me doing my hair because I don't got time to start and stop. And it took me longer than it usually would because for some reason my fingers could not remember how to braid my hair. So it took like 3 hours for my fingers to get a clue and come back to earth. So I didn't want to start, stop, but you know, this is the finished product. When I just put that steam on there, it made it feel better. Now it feels heavier because it's not as stiff. All right, it is 6:30, so I'm ready. I'm dressed. This jacket tight. But let's go see how this night turns out.
Bitches wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished. Make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
Okay, so a turkey leg is from like $22 to $20 or something like that. Funnel cake is like 13 to 14. So yeah, we're gonna go get some tickets. Yeah.
In this very moment, I knew I messed up. Y'all see me do my little dancey dance? Boy, this turkey leg was not cooked. You see how I was looking at them? Because I started to think, why is it in a foil paper? Because the place that I just left, it was just over the fire. I will never do this again. Y'all, we went to the movies later that night and I was chewing on it. And I said, why is this so hard to swallow? We shined a light on it. The joint was purple and pink and everything else and stretchy. Ugh.
I can't get a veggie patty.
Y'all hear her asking for a veggie patty? She did not know $12 was going to be that small.
So we got a funnel cake. We're going to split. Here, let's see. Take the bottom one off. Oh, the bottom one. He's smart. I literally asked for it. He's not smart. I said I'm not doing the picking back and forth.
Oh my God.
You like this. Thank you. Here, take a fork. You're welcome. Yeah. I know. No. Oh God, she was so pretty. I'm glad it was that way. Woo! You know that guy? It looks so pretty. Does it? Yeah. Aww.
My all the time change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me.